Alright. Hey guys, we're doing another YouTube video here, just some training. So, what to do when the NICU machine won't turn on. Okay, so sometimes the NICU machine will sit and it's plugged in and you've got a full charge here. So this indicator means that your Carestream computer portion of this retrofit is fully charged. And this one is for the GE portion. Your actual X-ray tube is fully charged. So you're like, what the heck, you know, the machine, the light, it's not working, the screen won't turn on, I can't use this machine, it's dead. So some of the other breakers, or I'm sorry, some of the other machines have breakers you can flip to power them off and power them back on to reset. This one does not. What you do is you have to come behind the machine and this black cable right here, if you want to reset or reboot your machine, you got to actually pull this out and then it cuts the power. Totally dead. Okay, give it like 10-15 seconds, plug it back in. Sorry, there you go. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You just get that plugged back into the connector, and then you got to push this button right here. Okay, that turns on and the whole thing will reboot and you're back in business. And that's if the Carestream portion isn't working. If this one is just totally blank, then what happened is the machine itself has overcharged and this breaker right here flipped itself to the off position. I don't know if you can see it, but this guy right here, right now it's up, and when it's overcharged, to protect itself it just flips down. And in order to turn the machine back on, you just flip it back up and it'll get working. And then just come over here, you can turn it on, but it'll show you that it's got a full charge, and that should do it. You should be in business. Okay, thanks guys.